Drink this every morning. The fat deposits around your body will disappear. The weight loss process is extremely hard and difficult process. Why? Well, that's easy to answer, because we all love food, right? Fortunately, there is a way. We are going to show you how to make this amazing mixture, which help you speed up the weight loss process, and help you get rid of the stubborn body fat. And, remember, without having a proper diet, and without any physical activities, you can't lose that body fat. As we said, we all want to enjoy food, candies, cakes, etc., and at the end of the day we all want to have flat stomach, and slim body figure. That's not possible. This means that you should eat healthy, and exercise more often. And yes, you should definitely add this super healthy mixture into your healthy diet. It will help you boost your metabolism, and speed up the weight loss. Note, you should know that the so-called lazy bowel syndrome is usually the main reason for that excess body fat. Now you probably ask yourself why? Well, it stops burning down the fat cells around our body, and slows down the detoxification of the body. Nutritionists say that there is answer for that problem, and it's very simple. Well, this means that you should definitely try this homemade drink, and drink it as a substitute for breakfast. This homemade drink is very simple, and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. Weight loss recipe. First, you need to put 6 prunes into a bowl with 100 milliliters of boiled water every night, cover it, and leave it 10 minutes to rest. In the same time, in another bowl, you should put 2 tablespoons of oats, teaspoon of grinded flaxseed, and teaspoon of cocoa. Then, you need to pour 300 milliliters of kefir into that mixture, and mix well. After that, you need to chop the prunes really well, and add them in the same mixture, mix again. Now, put the drink in the refrigerator over the night, and drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This homemade mixture is really amazing. It works great. After 1 month of using this homemade drink, you will lose 3 to 5 kilograms, especially from your belly fat. You will feel refreshed, and full of energy. This homemade mixture will also help you cleanse your body from all harmful toxins. If you find this information useful, hit the like button, share this, and subscribe to our channel.